Now, assignment operator, we can use it whenever you want to assign one value to a variable. And the very commonly used assignment operator is your equal to. So where we can use this to assign a value to a variable. Let's say here 5 is the value which is now assigned to your x. Hence, when I print the value of x, I'm going to get 5. Now, this assignment operator equal to can also be combined with all arithmetic operators that are available, like plus equal to, which is otherwise known as your shorthand assignment operators. What is the meaning of plus equal to? If I assume x is holding a value 5, when I'm writing x plus equal to 3, which is nothing but x equal to x plus 3. The current value of x has been added with 3 and the x value gets updated, as a result of which the x is going to carry 8. So x plus equal to 3 is nothing but simply, in other way we can write like x equal to x plus 3. Now very similarly, minus equal to is nothing but subtracting a value of a variable from the existing value of it. Like x equal to 10, x minus equal to 4 produces a result 6 because this indicates x equal to x minus 4. Now similarly, your multiplication assignment operator, where we can write x asterisk equal to 5, which is nothing but equivalent of x equal to x into 5. So as x value is 4, x equal to x into 5 means 4 into 5, 20 is updated as the x value. Similarly, your division and your floor division can also be applied. Like when I'm writing x slash equal to 2, which is nothing but x equal to x by 2, which is 10 by 2, which is your 5.0. We already told you that division operator always produces a float value. Now, when it comes to floor division, I can write in this manner, where suppose floor division 3 gives me a result that is 3. Similarly, your modulus assignment operator, where we are taking the percentile followed by equal to. So when I'm going by x equal to 17, if I write x percentile equal to 5, which is nothing but x equal to x percentile 5. So the resultant is 2. And the last one, that is exponentiation assignment operator, asterisk equal to. So like if x equal to 2, when I'm writing x asterisk equal to 3, it is going to give me 2 to the power 3. So in Python, we can have a concept like multiple variable, multiple values assignment. I mean to say, here you can see we are taking more than one variable in the left hand side, whereas in the right hand side of the assignment, we have those many values. So the meaning of this a comma b equal to 10 comma 20 is the first value is assigned to your a and the second value is assigned to your b. As a result, a becomes 10, b becomes 20. So here different variables, different values are being assigned. Now, if you want to assign a single value to multiple variables, this is how we can use the assignment operator. I can write a equal to b equal to 100. So 100 is the value which is assigned not only to b as well as a. Hence, when I'm going to print the values of a and b, we are going to get 100. Let's say I'm writing a comma b equal to 100 comma 200. So after this, when I print a, I get 100 and b is going to produce 200. But when we want same value to be assigned multiple variables, so I can write x equal to y equal to 300. So after this, x will be holding 300, y also going to carry 300. So this is what we call as multiple variables, multiple values assignment, whereas this is multiple variables with single value assignment.